Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change audio or sound settings in episode 26. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is to just head over to the gear icon which you can see at top left hand corner. Then we need to go to settings and select game settings option. On this screen we need to head over to the audio tab. For that you need to use RB key or R1 key. Here in the general audio section you will able to change the menu SFX volume. Similarly you can easily change the ES Sports music volume to something like 0, 10, whatever you like. Then you can go for disable all music for streaming purpose. You can toggle this on or off. Just like that we have the option for music always on, beyond broadcast, mix mode and archetype perk activation sound, which you can turn on or off, whichever you like. You can change that from here. To save these settings, just get back from this window and the settings will be applied to your game. And yeah, that's exactly how you can change audio and sound settings in episode 26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.